Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy HeatherX from HeatherX Vlogs, and it's been quite a while. I was busy with AS levels, studying, books, school here and there, so I couldn't upload much, even though there are videos that I need to edit. But I'm back with another unboxing from Samsung themselves. So what is it? Can we guess? I have a tablet here, the flip here, a watch here. Well, let me tell you, it's a Galaxy wearable. Which one exactly? Let's find out. It's the Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 Classic. So without further ado, let's just dig right in. So, suppose we cut it first from this package. Okay, so it's cut off, it's unwrapped. There's another bubble wrap for protection. Came directly from Samsung store. So let's see. And here is the white box. Whoa. The Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 Classic. So let's get it's a 46 millimeters. It only comes in 46 millimeters, the classic version. And okay, so this is I think just a direct pull tab. Yeah. And another one. Okay, so now that it's ready to unbox, all the tabs are off, no wraps, it's the watch inside. But it is a really big upgrade for me since this one right here, it's also on my channel as one of my first videos. This is the original Samsung Galaxy Watch that Samsung released as their first version. And this is the one that I've been using as my daily driver. In between, we also did get the Samsung Galaxy Watch 5, which my dad uses. And so I could see the difference between these two, but now there's another champion in our house, the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic. So let's see what it has to offer, what's different from the first version to the 8th version, which is the latest, and we'll compare all three. Let's see. So in 3, 2, 1. Wow, brilliant. It's a very sophisticated timepiece. Without the straps are inside, so let's see how it has. The straps are hybrid. They look like they're made of leather, but they're actually silicone ones. So let's see. Okay, yeah. These are the straps, the hybrid straps. Let's put them inside. The way to also attach these straps have been changed by Samsung. Otherwise, we used to have that pin version, which is not that convenient. This looks way easier. So let's see. Okay, the second one is attached as well. This bad boy rocks a 3nm W1000 Exynos chip, which is really powerful, really efficient since it's 3nm. To compare, the first one was 10nm. And I'm not really sure about the Galaxy Watch 5, but obviously it's way more smoother. Now let's power it up. So probably the first button. 3, 2, 1. Yep. So it's powering on. Oh, I just saw the light sensors also power on and do something. So we'll also pair it up and let's see what the watch faces are, how it looks on the wrist. And it has 3000 nits of brightness, so under the very bright Dubai sun I can see what's going on right off my wrist. It has now Galaxy AI, which is not on both of these watches, and it also has Google Gemini, specific button for it, which I can toggle it to anything, but Gemini is there, and it's obviously better than Bixby and all that since it's connected to the phone's internet. And I can tell it to multitask, like I can tell it to read my last email and then send a message to someone based on that. So it understands and goes through the apps. It's all on. Now English. So it's probably gonna make me set it up. The rotating bezel, the sound will, even I can't hear it, so it must not be there. But yeah, very subtle. But this is why I went with the Classic, because I'm used to the one on the original one, so I could not get one like this, like the one in the glass screen. This has a touch bezel. So it works the same way. See, it's also rotating, but there's no physical interaction. It's the screen. So I had to go with the classic. It says the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic. I'm gonna click on that. And yeah, see, this is the gradient it was showing on the welcome screen earlier. Oh, it's vibrating now. Okay, downloading software. In the meantime, let's wear it on the wrist. So you can see its elegant body, which must look great on especially formal wear, but you can also wear it while working out because of the silicon band. And it has this amazing health sensor, which using Galaxy AI, it can detect for sleep apnea. It has an energy score that it gives you at the start of every day and a running coach. So with all these features combined, it can transform your health. So now I'm wearing it. Let's see. Beautiful strap with a leather feel. Big dial. It feels like I'm wearing something, as you can see. So yeah. You are all set again in that gradient. So let's see what it tells me. Okay, it's starting. It's probably gonna introduce me on how the Wear OS and the software works around, how to get around things. And you can see the strap. It has this stitching as well, and it looks good. It's a good combination with the silver and black. The rotating bezel. Oh, that tactile clicks. And these are the 3 buttons. This button, I can set it to a number of options. For now, I think it's on show the exercises. This is probably the back button. So take a tour of your watch, start. And wow, okay, that's the watch face that comes on default. So swipe down. Yeah, that's gonna give this control panel. And yeah, I have an idea on how this works because of my dad's watch, which is the Galaxy Watch 5. It also comes with the Wear OS. So yeah, now it's gonna tell me the tiles. So something different that I note here is it still has these tiles and widgets, but now they're categorized. So health and finish. Okay, I know how to go. So see, health, fitness. So these are now categories, basic, and I can set these categories to how I want them to. Before, on the other watch, for example, it used to be random. Nothing used to be in one tile. So for health, now I just need one health tile and everything can come under this. So imagine I had to take all separate tiles for these, which would take up space and get longer to move to other ones. This is the notification category. This is the apps. So this is about it. Let's see if there are watch faces. There must be. Okay, so add. Yeah, see, these are the options. I'll have to go through them, customize based on how I like them. So yeah, good thing is now there are animations with most of them, which make the experience just that little bit better. So yeah, this is the box. Looks amazing. It's all paired up, I think. So yeah. So now this is my new daily driver, but Samsung store did not send it. It's just something for me. We also got something for my sister. She deserves one too. So, but what is it? We'll find out. Now, Shanze, can you come here? I want to show you my new watch. Yo, what's up?
Hi, how are you?
This is the brand new Galaxy Watch 8 Classic.
Oh, nice.
As you can see.
It has many features.
Yes, it does. Nice.
Congrats.
Thanks. But this is not the only thing we got.
Then what?
There's another black package for you.
Wait, what? What is that?
You can do the honors. You want me to pen it for you?
Sure. I did not know that anything was coming for me.
No idea on what this is. Okay, open it.
Oh my god.
Whoa, the Galaxy Fit 3. And obviously the pink color.
Yeah.
Rose gold, I would say. So,
Can you help me?
yeah, sure. Okay, so we'll open the seal. There it is, the one here. Is that it? No, there's more. Okay. So, it's all opened up. You can do the honors. Let's see what comes out first. Is it the whole watch or just
It's
the dial? Oh, okay. Take it out. Nice. It has this 1.6-inch display, which makes it a mini smartwatch, but it's actually a fitness tracker. It's a health tracker.
there's
And
also
so yeah, and it has this premium build. It's made of aluminium in this rose gold color, perfect for you. And the very special thing about it is that we usually charge our smartwatches every 1 or 2 days. This one, once you charge it full, it can go up to 13 days, what Samsung claims. So let's turn it on. Samsung. We're a whole Samsung family. We have all their gadgets. So yeah. It has fall detection, IP68 water resistance, and this one comes with sapphire crystal. This is not just glass, this is sapphire here. Okay, so welcome. Welcome to Fit 3. As you can see, it's gonna ask you to pair. You can pair it with your tablet. So yeah. And that is it. 2 new smartwatches in our house, and we're gonna enjoy them. These are our actually birthday gifts. So thank you to our parents.
Thank you.
And yeah, see you soon.